In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to set up and manage a successful online booking system for your business or personal project. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to wix.com and log into your account. This process should be straightforward, leading you straight to your Wix dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your sites. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the editor and start by clicking on the app market. This feature is packed with tools that can enhance functionality on your site. Here, you'll need to search for Wix Bookings. Wix Bookings is a fantastic tool that you can add to your site to manage online scheduling, payments, and even class management. Hit Add to Site to seamlessly integrate this into your website. This sets the stage for you to begin offering online booking services. Now, let's dive into creating your first class. From your dashboard, direct yourself to the booking section and then click on Services. Here, you'll choose to add a new service and select class as your service type. Once you've chosen to add a class, it's time to manage the details. Start by filling in fundamental information such as the class name, description, and instructor. Whether your class is yoga for beginners or a business masterclass, this information is crucial for prospective attendees. You also need to specify the location. Will it be in person, via Zoom, or a hybrid? Make sure to also upload an image that effectively represents your class. Now on to scheduling. Decide whether this will be a single session or a recurring class, adjusting the frequency to weekly, monthly, or even a custom schedule if needed. Make sure to specify the start time, duration, zone, and the maximum capacity. It's also wise to consider allowing a waitlist. Pricing and payment settings come next. Decide whether your class will be paid, free, or part of a pricing plan. For example, offer it at $20 per class or as part of a monthly membership. Enable online payments through Wix Payments, PayPal, or credit and debit cards. Additionally, you might want to allow for pay in person if you accept cash. With Wix, a classes page with a booking calendar is automatically created, and you can tailor it to your liking in the editor for ease of use and aesthetic appeal. Finally, let's ensure your audience receives timely communications. Automate emails and reminders to the automation section in your dashboard. Add a confirmation email after booking, a reminder email or SMS 24 hours before the class, and a follow-up email once the class concludes for feedback or upsells. The last step is to click Publish. After publishing, make sure to act as a customer and do a test booking yourself. This way you can confirm the availability, updates, payment processing, and seamless delivery of emails and Zoom links work as expected. And there you have it, a complete guide to managing and enhancing your booking capabilities using Wix's intuitive platform.